Did you know he was the one?
So he actually tried to make a pass at me like for a year and a half, and I was like, not my type. And I had a dream that I was getting married and it was him. Randomly, I texted him one day after not texting him for like a whole year and a half. It just started like that.
What would you say your typical type is?
I used to like Islander guys. I like that whole look. I mean, you just have to be a nice person, have to be respectful. But yeah, I was really immature, so I think I focused on the wrong things at that time.
So what about him helped you change what your type was?
I don't think it helped me change my type. I think I just started to look for quality traits, because you can have a really handsome guy and then he can be a total jerk.
For you, how did you not give up? Like, what kept you persevering and wanting to pursue her even after that year?
I patiently waited. I knew that was my wife, so there was no giving up. You know, like she said, sometimes it's immaturity that makes people make certain decisions. There's things to look for other than six-pack and tall and 6 feet. And there's more to life than that. When all of that fades, what else do you have?